Cursor or Copilot? Which one actually deserves a spot in your dev stack in 2026? I tested both and I'm breaking down the real difference in under 3 minutes. Let's go. What they are. First, the core difference. Copilot is an extension. Cursor is an editor. Copilot plugs into your existing setup, VS Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, Visual Studio, even Xcode. Cursor is a full VS Code fork, rebuilt from the ground up with AI as the main feature. So Copilot fits into your workflow, Cursor replaces it. Features. On completions, both are strong, but Cursor's composer handles multi-file edits and code base wide refactors with deeper context awareness. It's built for agent-style work, describe a change in plain English, and it edits across your whole project. Copilot has caught up a lot this year too. Its multi-file and task-oriented capabilities expanded significantly on the Pro plan, so it is no longer just autocomplete. It can handle bigger agent tasks now. The trade-off, Cursor's indexing and responsiveness can slow down on large repositories. Copilot, since its lighter weight, doesn't have that problem. Pricing. Here's where it gets simple. Copilot moved to usage-based AI credits in June 2026. Pro is $10 a month. Code completions stay unlimited on paid plans. Cursor Pro is $20 per month, double the price, with 4 tiers: free Hopi, $20 individual, $40 per user teams, and custom enterprise. For teams, the gap doubles too. Cursor Business is $40 per user versus Copilot Business at $19. Who should pick what? If you want the cheapest entry point, work across multiple IDEs, or you are on the GitHub ecosystem already, go Copilot. If you want one AI native editor, deep multi-file agent work, and you do not mind switching your whole setup, go Cursor. And honestly, a lot of developers just run both. Copilot for daily coding, Cursor for heavy feature work, for about $30 a month combined. And that is the real breakdown. No fluff. Which one are you using? Drop in the comments down below and subscribe for more DevTool comparisons. Thank you for watching and goodbye.